Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this episode of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how you can add Zoom link to the Google Calendar. This is the easiest way to sync your Google Calendar with your Zoom calendar. So open up a normal Google window at first, and then on the search bar you type in Zoom Google Chrome extension. Then click on search. You can see on the very top the Zoom Scheduler Google Chrome extension. You click on that. Now we need to add this to the extension of your Google Chrome. For that, click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. You can see the Zoom Scheduler has been added to the Google Chrome. Now open a new tab, and here you tap on the Google Apps section. There you go to the calendar. And now from here we can go to our calendar and we can click a box here like we're doing a normal meeting, and we'll say this is a Zoom meeting. You can add in the title Zoom meeting. You can choose a time of when you want this meeting to be held. Then here you can add the attachment and everything in here. Then here you click on make it a Zoom meeting. Once you click on that, you will have to provide your Zoom account details. So I'm going to type in my account details in here. Type in the password. Typing in the captcha over here. And click on sign in. Once you get signed in, then you click on make it a Zoom meeting. And here you can see with that everyone invited to this meeting will have the Zoom information right here with their ID to join the Zoom meeting. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.